Be aware of your tension, since if it's unwanted, it really messes with your technique. How's that, Zach?
You know, it was okay. I kind of hit a little fat. I think the ball was a little too far back in my stance.
Yeah.
So.
Any awareness of like your grip pressure and like upper body tension there for you?
Well, you know, all I know is that I like to have it really relaxed throughout the whole time. That's, I go up there and I feel relaxed as I swing. So.
Did you feel that way here?
Yeah, I felt normal.
Oh, it's interesting. You're watching it got really tight. So, any of that awareness training with grip pressure or upper body? Do you do any of that on the course ever?
No, should I?
Yeah, because if that changes when you're out here, it influences your technique.
So that's why I actually hit a fat instead of my ball position?
But you need to do the awareness training yourself so you can feel that you get tight, because it doesn't help that I see it as a coach.
Well, I'm going to go do it tomorrow.
Okay, let's do. Really learn to manage your tension level, and you will have lots of exercises in the book Be a Player.